Natural LPG start. First, connect the LPG cable with the generator. Open the LPG valve. Start the generator. Connect the socket. The current. Convert the LPG fuel to gasoline fuel. Turn on the 3-to-1 switch. Turn off the LPG valve. There will be a slight change in current during the conversion. Converting successfully. Convert the gasoline fuel to LPG fuel. Open the LPG valve. Press the GSA switch for 2 to 3 seconds. There will be a slight change in current during the conversion.